good job. Super good job.
This is called skipping too.
Yeah, super good job. Nice.
Now I'm doing this. Wait.
Good job putting away stuff, Zach. Kelly. Good job. Zach. Good job.
I'm putting all of them there.
Hey, Kelly. Hi.
Cheese.
What you doing? Looking good. Hey, Zach. Can you look up? Look up. Look at me. Uh-huh. What you doing?
Coming on Debbie a card.
Aw. Okay, so go ahead. Hey, Tully. Hi.
I'm going shopping.
You are?
Yeah.
You and Zachy?
Yeah.
Oh, fun. What do you think? Is he doing a good job checking this out?
Yeah.
He is. He's really doing a good job.
It's really an adult.
He's really like an adult, right? I agree. He's a lot like an adult these days.
What do you want to do today? I want, yes, what? A ball, a swim, a hat, shoo! Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. Achoo!
You guys,
I
look up for a
can't
sec.
snap.
Tully. Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
I can